In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is voice swap. Voice swap is a simple way to change the vocal character of a finished song while keeping the same lyrics and instrumental. Think of it like keeping the composition intact but asking a different singer to perform it. Male to female, deeper or softer, or just a new style, without rebuilding your track from scratch. If you have the voice swap feature in your version of the platform, the easiest approach is to work inside the app. First, create your song in the usual way in Suno. Once it's generated and saved, head to your library and open the finished track you want to modify. Look for the option labeled Voice, Swap, or Change Voice. If you see it, select it to open the available vocal choices. Pick a new voice or style that matches your goal, apply the changes, and generate the new version. When it's done, preview both versions side by side. Listen for clarity, tone, and how the voice sits in the mix, and keep the one that feels right for your project. If you don't see a swap button, you can still get a similar result by reprompting. Start by copying your existing lyrics so the words remain identical. Then adjust your prompt to guide the model's delivery. Add clear vocal directions like male vocals, female vocals, deep male voice, soft female voice, pop vocal style, or raspy vocal tone. A strong example would be pop song, female lead vocals, emotional tone, radio style production. Paste your lyrics, regenerate, and compare to your original. Some versions also include personas, which are preset vocal identities you can reuse. Create a song with a specific voice you like, save that setup as a persona, and then apply it to future songs. You can switch between personas across tracks to maintain consistency, which is especially helpful for albums, branded content, or recurring characters. For the best results, be specific about the voice type you want, but don't overload the prompt with too many instructions. Keep the genre simple while testing so the vocal change is easy to hear. If the difference isn't strong enough, regenerate a couple of times or slightly tweak your tone words to nudge the delivery in the right direction. To get you started, here are a few example prompts you can speak or paste into your style field. Upbeat pop song with strong female lead vocals if you're moving from male to female. Emotional ballad with deep male vocals if you're going from female to male. Or R&B track with smooth, soulful vocal tone for a different style without changing the lyrics.